we're working skeed strap, skeed strap as tackle.
The E3D Sentry, or AWACS, provides airborne early warning for NATO forces. This video follows a typical exercise inside AWACS as it warns ground attack aircraft of hostile fighters trying to intercept them en route to their targets. AWACS can track hostile aircraft over a 300-mile radius and operates at around 30,000 feet.
Out to the east here, and Clipper, who'll be just to the south of us.
Just for the benefit of our visitors, we don't have any pre-planned work yet, but we can expect to pick up some F-16s out of Aalborg to the north, or perhaps Drakens out of Karak to the west. The likely play areas for those aircraft will be the yellow box there to the west of Denmark, but the trade will be assigned to us when we get on task by our TACON agency.
Okay, thanks so much.
This afternoon, and the normal order then, I get it right today, it's 3-4-2-1, call rotation and initial please, and
Glow 41. Yeah, right. Go ahead. Okay, thanks very much. Cheers.
So, these are the things we
you can actually go in onto your targets. So can we sort of come around through fans, down here and then in? Yeah, that's what we did yesterday. And then out, you can't cross that line. Well, unless you, all we did was we had to, so we can't get to that.
Okay, right. Well, these two jets, one will be a Pollard, one will be an attack jet.
That's orientated on the table.
Charlie control, the full side, they all be tactical control. I think they cannot technical control, they also do technical information. The thing with technical control is they fire the aircraft. How do they? Yeah, so the thing to think about, I accept technical control, assuming it's technical information like Charlie control and full side control, but it is control to neutralize the aircraft. Oh, is that right? I didn't mind it when I took it away from the fighter. He didn't like it because it wasn't making us flow through. So if you tell him in the beginning you want to get information, and you continue flying the aircraft, and he tells you reference of the aircraft. Yeah, that's okay, a trick. Okay. What? We've had, the aim of this sortie is to destroy the military activity that we've been tasked with by the Globe. For real, we get an int update from the GLO, the alert state and BCA is as per the exercise order, as is NBCC. Mission number, we're 12 Whiskey 227 and we'll go as Alpha Romeo on that. Colours are standard, composition yourself and myself in Oscar and X-ray. We are actually total plus fuel, but we're stimulating centerline tank, 4 CBUs, ECM FEMAT. Fit and overwing relievers. Deputy lead release only in pairs, not a player. Lose a plan. We'll try and get a spare aeroplane, obviously, but if all else fails, we'll go as singles. In lots of ways, there's not a lot of point in you going for two-seater in a single, but if you want to go flying, jet in, we'll go. Could go ahead and do it. Bird battle damage will divert to pair. RC problems, fingers are standard. Lost leader, on track, on time. If it's in the cloud, 20 for 20. Disorientation, beware of, it's always a player. Hazardous conditions, yes we are, low flying. We're going to do an FR at Pembrey. TOT there is 1500. For target 3, attack heading of 248, and I'm looking for 450, 250. CIP ranging, joining from the northeast and on a right-hand turn, departing to the northeast. We've got some fighters in the area, hopefully, so the aim is not to get shot by them. I'm an ACL, players are us, and what's in the exercise op order. CAP, we're going through a phase. Block heights, we're low level, they're high level or medium level. And we're going to talk to Magic, which hopefully they'll give us bullseye information, and they'll also give us tactical information as well.
Tower 227 takeoff.
4 Whiskey 227 Alpha and Bravo, clear takeoff, 721 knots.
Clear takeoff. Okay, clear takeoff. One glass down. Good 8. Bit. Champions look good. T2s, one's a bit slow. That's okay. T2's good. As we've got air brakes are flaps are down, everything looks good. Check. Buttons are in, and they've lit. Number one nozzle's a bit sticky, but never mind. He's hanging in there. Probably could do with a bit more power. Okay, seats are still good. 2003. Positive rate of climb, gear coming up. And flaps coming up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Always coming on.
Bravo's Buster.
227's airborne, sub 3, good. Sir. Bravo. Codswell 227's airborne radar information.
For Whiskey 227 Alpha Bravo, Codswell identified, radar information, climb report level, flight level 110.
Roger, burn again. Level 2 is now at 1,000 feet.
Level 2, roger.
Check. Hello. Magic 12 Whiskey 227 Alpha Bravo.
This is Magic 80, say your call sign again.
Roger, 12 Whiskey 227.
Copy, 12 Whiskey 227, say your position off bullseye.
Roger, approximately 25 miles southeast of bullseye.
Okay, I have contact. From you have Bandits 315, 15 miles headed south 5,000 feet. Second Bandits 330, 16 miles headed north. Echo 227, you have Bandits off your nose 185, 17 miles closing. .227, copy. Copy. That fighter's now 190, 12 miles, closing. He's at 5,000. Whiskey 227, that fighter from you 280, 12 miles, headed north at 5,000.
Whiskey 227, roger.
12 Whiskey, affirm you're heading northeast at 1,000 feet.
Northeast at 250 feet.
Good copy. Copy, you're heading out to the east. Whiskey 227, your nearest fighter Bandit is 290, 17 miles, 7,000 feet.
Whiskey 227, roger.
227, Bandit's 230, 13. Turning southeast, 12,000.
227, switching to tactical.
Copy, tactical.
Sub 26, go.
Whiskey, you have new Bandits, 165, 38 miles, headed west.
Roger.
Other Bandits are RTB. .227, confirm what type aircraft.
Whiskey 227 with 2 Jaguars.
Copy. Still have your AIM-9s mounted?
Affirmative.
Copy, call your kills.
Roger.
160, 37 miles, headed west, 17,000. .227, your Bandits 160, 30 miles, headed west, 17,000. 227, 57, do you want to avoid or engage?
I think we'll engage.
Copy. And it's 165, 26 miles headed northwest, 17,000. Show you evading south. Show you split.
Negative, we're split.
Eastern band, band is 2005 miles, headed west, now turning north at 9,000.
Tally ho, one's in.
Western band, band is 1706 miles, headed north. Western band, band is 1605 miles. Western band is 1204 miles. Engaged with 1. Western band, negative contact.
Whiskey 227, we disengage, running south.
Copy, disengage, running south. Positive contact. 227, did you take any shots?
Negative.
Copy that.